So, looks like we've got another update on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and this one's about its launch date. Remember all those mid-September rumors floating around? Well, this new leak lines up right with them. Oh, and before we dive deeper, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Alright, here's the scoop. This leak isn't from the usual leakers we follow. It's actually from a site called thenewcamera.com. They claim to have an exclusive tip from one of their sources saying the launch date is set for September 18th, 2025. Now, we don't know how solid this info is, so let's not take it as gospel just yet. What makes it interesting is that earlier chatter pointed to September 16th as the launch date. So maybe September 16th is when DJI makes the official announcement and then shipping kicks off on the 18th. Either way, September is shaping up to be the month we finally see this drone, and honestly, it's hard not to get hyped. Now, the rest of this video is more of a recap of what we know so far. If you're here just for the leak, feel free to bounce, but if you want to stick around and refresh on all the Mini 5 Pro details, let's keep going. The first thing people noticed in the leaked photos, that familiar foldable mini frame, small, compact, pocket friendly, but then there's that C0 classification sticker, basically the EU UK style marking that suggests it stays under the 249 gram limit, the tiny label with big implications. If this turns out to be real, and honestly it seems pretty solid, it means DJI somehow kept the drone under the 250 gram mark while cramming in tech usually found on heavier models. That's honestly the most hyped part of these leaks. And then, props. Forget the fiddly screws. Rumors say DJI is swapping to a tap and twist quick release prop system. Twist off, twist on, done. If you've ever stripped a screw while swapping blades, you know this is a massive quality of life upgrade. Sure, the props cost a bit more now, but I think that's a pretty fair trade-off. But here's the showstopper, the camera. A 1-inch sensor paired with a 24mm equivalent lens and a bright f1.8 aperture. That's a serious leap from the Mini 4 Pro's smaller sensor. Bigger sensor means more detail, better colors, and way better low light shots. It's edging into Air class image quality, which is wild for something this small. Creators are gonna love the extras too. True vertical shooting, a gimbal that reportedly rotates up to 225 degrees or even 330 degrees, and a slick 48mm telemode. That means you can go from wide scenic shots to tighter cinematic frames all in one flight. We will know how effective they are once the drone is released and get to compare them with Air 3S. Video is also getting an upgrade. 4K up to 120 FPS, 4K at 60 HDR, and 10-bit color modes, so whether you're chasing smooth slow motion or deep cinematic grades, the Mini 5 Pro should deliver. In short, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a creator's dream. Now on to sensors. This is where DJI might surprise us. Rumors say LiDAR could finally make its Mini debut. Specifically the frontal LiDAR for obstacle detection, backed up by omnidirectional vision-based sensors for the rest. Flight time also improves. Leaks point to approximately 36 minutes standard endurance versus 34 minutes on Mini 4, and approximately 52 minutes with the optional larger Plus batteries. The Mini 5 Plus batteries may push total weight above 250 grams, so C0 compliance likely only with the regular battery. DJI is also bundling pro-level accessories from the start. Leak images show the Mini 5 Pro Flymore kits include a 3-battery charging hub, ND filter set, and quick release props. Features valued by cinematographers shooting in bright conditions. One leaked photo even hints at a new one-touch launch button on the drone body, similar to DJI's Neo and Flip drones, possibly for simple hand launches without a controller. Some reports even hint at possible compatibility with Mini 3 and 4 Pro batteries, which would be super convenient if you already own them. Oh, and leaked pricing hints that batteries could actually be cheaper than before. Didn't expect DJI to go easy on our wallets, but here we are. For transmission, expect OcuSync 4 Plus with up to 25 kilometers of range in perfect conditions. Basically stronger, cleaner signal, less chance of losing your feed mid-flight. Launch rumors are pointing at September 16th, 2025, not official yet, but close enough to get excited. As for accessory pricing, DJI seems to have lowered the cost of flight time upgrades, which makes them way more tempting. The standard intelligent flight battery dropped from $99 to $69, roughly 30% cheaper. The Plus battery down from $145 to $99. That one gives you longer flight time, but yep, it does push the drone over the 249 gram limit, so keep that in mind. Still, for spares and replacements, that's a solid saving. Charging hub and ND filters, pretty standard, $49 for the hub and $55 for filters. But here's the twist. The filter sets are actually different. The Mini 5 kit lists ND8, 32, and 128, while the Mini 4 Pro set was ND16, 64, and 256. So the filter strengths aren't a direct match. Propellers though? Ouch. They've gone up from $9 on the Mini 4 Pro to $19 for the Mini 5 Pro. Maybe that's because of the new quick release system or better materials, but either way they cost more. Same with the propeller guard. On the Mini 4 Pro, the guard alone was $29, but for the Mini 5 it's $69. Though to be fair, that includes both the guard and propellers. And then there's Care Refresh. The 1-year plan looks about the same, but the 2-year coverage for the Mini 5 actually seems cheaper than what we saw on the Mini 4 Pro. Could be a retailer specific thing, or maybe DJI just wants to make the upgrade path a little smoother this time around. So overall, it feels like DJI is shifting the cost balance. Consumables like props and guards are pricier, but the bigger ticket items like batteries and hubs are more affordable. Makes sense if they want people to invest in flight time upgrades instead of holding back, but remember, all of this is based on leaked pricing. Nothing's official until DJI lists it on their store, so take it as likely, but not guaranteed. If everything lines up, the Mini 5 Pro could become the lightweight drone to beat pro-level imaging, smarter safety, long flight times, all under that 249 grams sweet spot. It's not just an upgrade, it's DJI flexing hard in the Mini category. In Europe, the standard kit should land around €799, same as the Mini 4 Pro. The Fly More with the RC2 bumps up to about $1129. Over in the UK, you're looking at around £689 for the base kit and $979 for Fly More. And in the US, leaks are pointing to somewhere between $749 and $799 for the standard combo, and closer to $999 or even $1099 for Fly More. So, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a beast for its size. A 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, longer flight time, better batteries, vertical shooting with that 225-degree gimbal, and still under 250 grams. Basically, it's everything creators and travelers have been asking for in a tiny drone. None of that is official yet, but with the way these leaks are stacking up, it feels like we're just waiting for DJI to rubber stamp the whole thing. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.